Hey guys, Marissa here. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little demonstration on how to map out your waking impact of the codon transference from the dream rave chart. So if you guys don't know the dream rave and you want more information about it, I can definitely make some more videos or content about it. Or if you want to message me or something, we can talk about it a little more. But what I'm trying to show right now is the amino acids and the codon transference that happens when you wake up. So right now on the screen is just the mandala wheel, and it's my chart. But what I'm demonstrating is on the outside of the planets, outside of the astrological signs, you will see the abbreviations for all of the amino acids like serine, arginine, threonine. You see it around the wheel, right? Okay. So each amino acid is associated to a gate, and there are multiple gates per amino acid. So now, this is a little cheat sheet. If you want to take a screenshot of it to use it, it would be really helpful for you, I think. So on the left side, we have 15 gates because, just in case you aren't familiar, this is the dream rave chart. This is my dream rave chart. We have the same as the mammalian design when we're asleep. We don't have an ego, we don't have a head, we don't have an ajna, we don't have a solar plexus. All of that is, it's not online when we're asleep. So this is my dream rave chart. Now back over here, since there are only 15 gates in the dream rave, they're listed on the left side. And now on the right side of it are all the other gates that are in that same amino acid or codon group. So like 1 affects the 14 because it's lysine, 5 affects threonine with 9, 11, and 26, 8 is phenylalanine affecting gate 2, 12 is a stop codon or terminator, also with 33 and 56. You get the point. So you guys can take a screenshot of that. And then what we do is we're going to go to genetic matrix. And now we're going to go to the chart building tool. And for me, I have gates 1, 8, and 38. So I'm going to click them once each in black because to know that that's my dream chart gates. And then what we're going to do is, if we go back to this handy dandy little sheet, we'll see that my gate 1 affects the 14 in lysine, the 8 affects the gate 2 with phenylalanine, and the 38 is arginine with 10, 25, 17, 21, and 51. So we go back here, and I'm affected by the gate 2. So we're going to double click it to make it red so we know that it's an impact and it's not one of your dream gates. The 14. And then the 38 with arginine is going to affect gate 10. Make it red. 25. 17. 21. And 51. Wow. So it's not just those dream gates. This is what happens when I wake up. These are the other gates that are affected with those amino acids. And I have some of those gates. Like I have gate 14. It's my moon. So you can kind of map it out. So that's lysine. And then, yeah, the 38 affects a lot with arginine. But this is just a way to show what gates, and you can look at the descriptions of the gates and the body correspondences as well, and kind of get a better idea of how it could be affecting you. I do have a document that I created with all the 64 gates, a little bit about each one, and their associated body correspondences and amino acids. So if you guys are interested, reach out to me and I can get that over to you. Well, I hope this was helpful. I know if you don't know the dream rave, it could be a little confusing, but I tried to make it as simple as I could for you guys to take that little cheat sheet and map out your codon transference upon waking and see how that is affecting you in your life. Well, have a good one, everybody.